This evening, Prime Minister warns tougher measures will be implemented if COVID-19 cases continue to climb. New COVID record, close to 900 cases recorded. The government reacts. The vaccine is here. COVID-19 immunization to go ahead as plane lands with the precious vaccines.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what additional measures do you believe will lead to greater compliance with the COVID-19 protocols? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.